What's up, YouTube? This is Antoine with Chump Production coming to you this morning with Kiva London. This is a um startup business lending platform. You can lend money to people that have small businesses that need inventory or supplies or startup capital to buy inventory or whatever. But you can start off as low as $25 with whatever person you select. I'll put the link in the description with my referral link. So if you guys don't mind, could you please sign up under my link? We both get credit if you sign up under my link. But let me show you some of the stuff with this here. I put a little over 80 bucks in it, I think. Yeah, 89 bucks into it. But it's pretty sweet. I'm on auto deposit every month. So it also shows you estimated repayments. So the first month I make in March, in 2 months I'll make $6.38, and then from there I'll make $2.97 to $2.99 a month, or $3.06. This month in July I'll make $8.02. November I'll make $5.62. February of next year I'll make $7.71, and then the last month I'll make $2.72. So yeah, you can look at this stuff and decide whether or not you want to get invested in it. I'm just using it for the tax write-off and to help small businesses overseas get the goods they need to support their communities and make a profit. Plus, I get passive money off of it. What I'm finding out is every $25 you invest, you make $1.75 to $2.31. $1.81 to $2.31 per $25 you invest per month for 11 months. Sometimes they're 30 months. It just depends on which person you go with. Let me see if I can find somebody. Okay, this one's 14 months. Like I already went to them, but this is a failed 14 months. Look at how part this guy's got contributing to him. I joined these guys' team, Cuba Christians. They got some pretty cool people on their site just looking for loans. The people in the USA, they don't want interest, so I'm not, unless I find somebody that's paying 5 or 10% interest on the loan, I'm not supporting anybody in the USA. But everybody else overseas, they do at least 10% interest on the money they lend that you lend them. Yeah, so here's some of the loans they got on there. It's how much money the amount they funded, 71 million. So I like them. But I'm not gonna hold you guys up too much. I just wanted to make this quick video and show you guys what's out here, and so you can make a decision whether or not you want to participate in this or not. You guys have a good one. Happy New Year's. Peace.